Welcome to Singapore, the Lion City, where adventure, culture, and beauty await around every corner. Want to experience this vibrant city in the best way possible? Lace up your shoes and explore Singapore by foot. Whether you're here for a quick getaway or an extended stay, walking through Singapore is the perfect way to discover its hidden gems. From iconic landmarks to secret alleys, you'll find surprises everywhere you go. Start your journey in the heart of Singapore, Chinatown. This vibrant district is a melting pot of culture and history, offering a unique blend of old and new. Explore its colorful streets where every corner tells a story. Visit the vibrant temples that stand as a testament to the rich heritage of the area. Don't miss the bustling street markets brimming with local delights, souvenirs and mouth-watering street food that will tantalize your taste buds. Or take a stroll through Little India, a neighborhood that is a feast for the senses. The air is filled with the aroma of exotic spices and the streets are bursting with color and culture. Discover the vibrant murals, intricate temples and lively street vendors offering a variety of traditional goods. Whether you're shopping for unique items or simply soaking in the atmosphere, Little India promises an unforgettable experience. Love nature and city views? Walk along the Singapore River and take in the breathtaking waterfront scenery. From the iconic Malayan Park to Clarke Quay's riverside restaurants, you'll discover Singapore's perfect blend of modernity and history. Want to escape the hustle and bustle? Head to Gardens by the Bay, where walking trails lead you through futuristic landscapes and serene greenery. Don't miss the stunning Super Tree Grove and the Cloud Forest, a perfect spot for that Instagram-worthy shot. Looking for more ways to explore Singapore? Join one of Singapore's many free walking tours. These tours are a fantastic way to see the city without spending a dime. Dive deep into the rich history of Kampong Glam, where every corner has a story to tell. Explore the artsy Haji Lane, famous for its vibrant street art and quirky shops. Or discover the rich Peranakan culture at the Peranakan Museum, where you can learn about the unique blend of Chinese and Malay traditions. Walking through Singapore is like traveling through time with its blend of modernity and tradition. Every step you take tells a story, making each tour a memorable experience. So lace up your walking shoes and get ready to explore. And after a day of exploring, unwind with delicious street food from local hawker centers. Walking in Singapore isn't just about seeing the sights. It's about experiencing the culture up close. So what are you waiting for? The adventure of a lifetime is just a step away. Discover Singapore by foot and let every step bring you closer to the heart of this incredible city. Wander through the vibrant streets of Chinatown, where history and modernity blend seamlessly. Stroll along the Marina Bay promenade and soak in the stunning views of the skyline. Text on screen, visit Singapore and start your walking adventure today. #Explore Singapore by foot. #Walk Singapore. #Visit Singapore. Capture unforgettable moments at iconic spots like Malayan Park and Orchard Road, where every corner tells the story. Experience Singapore like never before, one step at a time. From the colorful streets of Little India to the serene botanic gardens, every path leads to a new discovery. Embrace the journey and let Singapore's charm unfold with every step you take.